Time to get in the zone, auto zone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Germs. I like to do car, motorcycle, automobile type vlogging style videos. And yeah, I gotta go get a battery for the RX 330. So we're going to the zone, the auto zone. All right, well, hello there. In the Fiat, this is so getting a battery for the wife's SUV in the wife's Fiat. I got two cars in there and another one over there, but I'm taking hers to get her car a battery. Woo! Let's go. Check out this Volkswagen. That is dope. So that's pretty dope. They brought the battery out for me, took the old one. They're going to return the core, meaning they're going to give me $18 back. And it just so happens that that's his Volkswagen. That thing is just beautiful, beautiful. This thing is so cool. Look at this. Wow, so beautiful. The white walls, built and bought. The world's flat. That thing is so cool. Look at that. So nice. Really well done. Now hop back to this. Another little car. Fiat 500, my wife's car for practicing stick shift. It is surprisingly fun to drive just around town. Normally when we just do little errands that are like in a few mile radius, we just take this car out just to run quick little errands. The reason why I tried the Abarth and ended up buying an Abarth. So we're gonna get to the Abarth in a bit, which is the whole reason why we're doing this video to begin with. But yeah. All right, so the battery died on the RX. I'll plug that in. Just recently had work done for the alternator and the timing belt. There shouldn't be anything wrong with those things because it was professionally done. So we're hoping that maybe just the batteries died. Hopefully this will work because it wasn't starting at all. I jump started earlier. It did turn on. As soon as I turned it off, tried to go back on, nothing. And that was after leaving it on for a while. So let's get that installed. I know I'm delaying the whole reason why we're doing this video, but it all makes sense later. All right, battery's in. She starts and she locks. Okay, good. Reason why I'm even making this video today is to talk about another suction mounting device for the GoPro to try out. So let's switch to that. All right, so this is what I'm talking about. This is the one I was using today, and that was my whole point of like using this to vlog, was to show you guys those different angles I was able to get with this. And I'm almost certain that it has a lot to do with the bendability of this. is how I was able to kind of maneuver it around. I wanted to point out the pro of this right off the bat. The suction is obviously good, as long as the surface is clean. But this is the one. Oh, and if you saw my not my last video, but a couple videos back where I highlighted this, there was one part where I used it on a motorcycle where I was not too confident on the way this would hold up, especially with these, because these, after a while, the joints get really loose, and I was afraid it was going to pop out. So we're going to try this one by PGYTECH. I heard this suction's super strong, and this is pretty solid. So let's open that. All right, so here you go. Pretty nice little presentation. And the one thing is they don't use the traditional little lock system that they like your traditional GoPros do, like that. So they have the little pin lock thing. So that'll be the first time I tried that. Here's the suction itself, pretty solid. And this is the part where I heard is the real highlight, is the suction on this should be even stronger than this one here on the Joby. And let's see what else is here. I guess that could go right into like if you were using a different type of camera, that could go on like the camera I'm using right now. But the GoPro should go right on here, no ish. Let's try it out. Okay, so you see, once this is on, this is pretty wiggly. You just gotta tighten this all up. I believe, yeah, you just see right there, you just kind of tighten that up all the way around, and it should stick. Yeah, once it stops, that's pretty much going to stay the way you have it there. And even this part here should stay, all of this stays still once you move this. So if you loosen this back up, see how all that just kind of moves around. So I guess you just find the way you want it. So if you want it shorter like that, and then you just tighten that up. So for example, something like this, you could just go all the way like that, and then this should go on. Let's actually try it right here on the table. Let's see. Oh damn. Okay. Oh yeah, that is strong. That's moving the whole table pretty much. Let's compare it. This right here. Oh shit. Okay, this might be. Okay, sorry. Try that out. Oh, see what I mean? So that's exactly what I'm talking about. This because I already kind of loosened it up already, it's not gonna be the same. So but see, if you can see this, it's already kind of yeah. This, on the other hand, unless I break my elbow or something. Okay, no, eventually it does come off too, but it's a lot stronger than the Joby. I'm actually more confident even with, especially with this. Now I do know that Joby makes a similar version of this, although from what I hear, the components on this one's stronger, and definitely the suction is stronger. So let's try this out. How about on the Abarth? Let's do it. All right, so we got the suction. I'm gonna try this out here on the Abarth. Let's see what that looks like. That's on really tight. You see the view we're gonna get, and yeah, let's do a cold start. All right, so while that's warming up, I'll get ready to go. We're actually gonna test it out on the road. Let's see, maybe someone will end up with a free GoPro. I hope not. But yeah, let's give it a shot. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see how we did now. Yeah, of course it's fine. I mean, that thing was so tight. Okay, let's try this at a different angle. That comes out so easy. let's give this a shot, see what that looks like. Again, super strong. Let's go. Well, there you have it. Yeah, this is a good one. Definitely good purchase and definitely strong. Another thing that amazes me about this is that how easy this comes. Let me put my key in my pocket. Look at this. Just one-handed. Take this right off, or unclip this. Barely any effort, and it comes right off. But see the suctioning itself, dude. That's the struggle right there. But you get rewarded with that struggle with a super strong, good build. And yeah, I'll link this in the description. I definitely highly recommend this. That was definitely way better than the Joby. Now, I said before, the Joby does make one very similar, same kind of structure, but with the suction that you see on the one that I purchased, the Joby that I already purchased. So why not get the best of both worlds? I think that let me just show you. I think that this piece right here is solid, and the suction is even more solid. So just go with the best, I think. That's my recommendation, at least for now. I'm glad I got the Joby though, because with that kind of tolling around, that'll work fine inside of the vehicle. I'm totally happy with that. And outside of the vehicle, definitely going with the PGYTECH. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys are doing safe. Hope you're staying healthy. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Please subscribe. Comment, share the video with anyone you think might like this content. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all later.